Hey y'all, Kevin here, and this is Purereviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you find this particular video helpful or useful, be sure to hit that like button, maybe leave a comment. All those really help out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon. So there is a link in the description that will take you to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? So today's product is perfect for the holidays. It is by a company called Sparks Moments, and this is the box it's going to come in, and it is a nice little holiday projector where you can liven up either inside or outside of your house. So once you open it up, you're going to get tons of parts and pieces. First off, you are going to get a user manual that explains you how to use it, that we're all about to cover right now together. Then you are going to get a bag full of 16 different projection images to cover multiple holidays. So whether it's Halloween, whether it's Christmas, Easter, St. Patty's Day, etc., your birthday, all that kind of stuff, you're going to get all these little pieces right here. And there's little images on here that it cycles through. And you basically can change these out to give you different styles. And I'll show you how to do that very, very shortly. Now, in addition to that, you are going to get a stake if you're going to mount this outdoors. This just goes into the ground. But you also get a nice little adapter if you want to mount it on a wall or inside, and that is this. You can screw it on, or you can set it on a table. Then you get the projector itself. So as you can see, here is the projector. And like I said, you can just set that in like so. And it has an adjustable here, so you can angle it however you need to capture whatever images or wall that you are projecting this onto. Now, the ideal distance for this is going to be somewhere between 8 feet to 20 feet. It can go bigger or smaller, but that's kind of like an ideal range when you are utilizing this. Now, thing to note, this projector, like I said, it has the 16 projection images, and where that is on the right-hand side, and it goes through that. Now, how you want to change those is there is this little cap on the top, which I've already removed, and you simply just pull out the little projector image thing, and then you slide in what new one you want to do. And if it goes in and it's backwards, it won't let you slide it in. So just turn it around and then it lets you go in. So keep that in mind. There is a little groove here. So if you're struggling with it, it won't go in. Just flip it around and you are good to go. And then put back on the nice attachment, which keeps it nice and weather tight. So one thing I do want to mention, this guy does have an IP65 weather rating. So it is designed to be outside in the snow, in the rain. And that's why it's great for utilizing for the holidays. You can also, like I said, use it on the inside. But another kind of thing besides the projections, what's cool about it is it's a dual purpose. So on the left-hand side, it has a nether mode, which will have 10 different multicolored kind of images. So you can have those images floating around, and then you have the multicolor mode, and then you can choose to have one or the other. And all that is controlled via the remote control. So the remote control has a ton of features on it. At the top, you have the power button. Then you have the Nebula. So the Nebula is doing those color features that you're seeing. And then the other side is the patterns that you're seeing. Now you have an R, G, B, and W. Those are going to change the colors of the Nebula. You can speed up the rotation motor, so it has a faster effect or a slower effect. And then you have different modes, whether it's a fading option 1, a fading option 2, or a breathing mode as it cycles through. And then the same thing with the patterns. You can adjust those with the speed, the fading. You can have the breathing, or you can keep them on solid. At the very bottom, you have another mode, which is your timer options. So you can set this for a timer to where it turns off at a certain amount of time, or you can have it on all night as you wish. Now, kind of one last thing I want to cover here is it does have a super long cable. So you're not have to be tethered to a outlet that is right next to the device. you can plug this in and run it for quite some distance, which is really, really nice, because sometimes these things have short cables and you have to use extension cords and things like that, which is not the case with this little guy here. But that's basically kind of the ins and outs. This holiday season, if you want to make decorating a little bit easier and you want to project something on the side of your house, or maybe project it in your garage or something like that, this is totally worth checking out. It has a lot of little options. You can leave it up, have it for multiple holidays, multiple themes, which is really cool. And if not, then you can take it down and just use it for that specific holiday. That is it. So if there was something I did not cover that you're curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. And like I said, check out the link in the description so you can check out the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that fun information. And until the next video, you guys take it easy. Later. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.